So to maintain the glow during your winters, use a very gentle cleanser like Cetaphil cleanser or Episoft cleanser are great cleansers for this weather. Winters are a dry weather and a lot of skin problems crop up in this weather because of this increased dryness in the atmosphere. So what we commonly see is like the skin becomes more dry, flaky, dull, dehydrated, and it can happen in both the covered areas as well as the exposed areas. But usually the exposed areas, the face, the neck and the hands are the most badly affected areas. So how should we take care of our skin during winters? Basically, we should always use different products in winters and summers. So in winters, we should always go for more hydrating products, something which has more of ceramides, hyaluronic acid, squalane, and which are more creamier. So to maintain the glow during your winters, use a very gentle cleanser like Cetaphil cleanser or Episoft cleanser are great cleansers for this weather. Then you can start using a thicker moisturizer. The ones I prefer during this weather are CeraVe moisturizer, and I also love Atoderm range by Bioderma. They are great moisturizers. Then for sunscreen, always go for something which is more thicker. So like Bioderma has a great range of sunscreens. Also, I love the Sophie skin sunscreen by Cetaphil. These are great, which I personally use. For your hands, always keep a hand cream handy so that you can keep moisturizing your hands every 2 to 3 hours, especially after every hand wash. Use a gentler hand wash. Do not go for the drugstore liquid hand washes like the Dettol or Savlon. Go for something which is more gentle for your hands, because I actually prefer to use bar soaps like Dove and Pears to wash my hands rather than go for any kind of hand washes, because I feel that the hand washes somehow stay inside these web spaces and can cause irritation. And in many of my patients, when I switch them from a liquid hand wash to a mild bar soap, the problem is resolved without the need of any kind of medicines. For the feet also, we get a lot of patients who have cracked heels. So you can start using a urea-based foot cream like Atoderm is a good cream, and Xerina is also another good cream which you can try. Another problem which is very common is chapped lips. So usually whenever our lips get dry, we tend to lick them with our saliva like this. And what this is doing is, this is depositing saliva on the lips, and saliva actually contains enzymes for digestion. So it may temporarily wet your lips, but actually it is doing a lot of harm. So whenever you have chapped lips or dry lips, avoid licking your lips. Preferably go for a lip balm which has both emollients and occlusives, and do not just apply a petroleum jelly, because petroleum jelly will work only as an occlusive. So I prefer to use Sebamed lip balm. I also like by Forever Living, which is known as Aloe Lips. This is my personal favorite, but you can also try Nivea lip balm. That is also a good one. So these are a few of my recommendations for this winter weather. And if you like this video and if you would like more recommendations, please put comments in the comment section. I would definitely reply from my personal handle.